What's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to replace your taillight gaskets without having to buy the OEM stuff, or if you don't want to wait a whole bunch of time for some replacement gaskets to come in, you just need some cork gasket stuff. Make it yourself and it'll be good as new. Let's do it. Step 1. Remove taillight assembly. I think it's like 4 or 5 10mm nuts in here. If it's the factory gasket, it's going to be still stuck in there a little bit, so carefully take it off, because this is what you're going to be tracing so you can make your new gasket. You need this to be pretty intact. Bit of cork gasket, your old taillight grommet, a marker with a half-decent tip on it, and a sharp blade. Lay it out as flat as you can, and you're going to trace it out. Pretty crudely traced, but it's cutting time. Do for the holes that I've already marked, I'm going to grab something with a pointed end to it and just kind of poke it through the holes. Spray some adhesive promoter and clean out the surface area just so that way it has something to stick to. I'm not saying it's going to be perfect, but you should be better off than having no gasket at all or one that's completely blown out. Probably wrong about a few things, but that was my solution. Peace.